how much should you actually spend on fluorescent lights? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Faith Sail 4 FT LED Wraparound. The Faith Sail 4 FT LED Wraparound caught my attention right away. At $39.99, it's positioned as a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their lighting without breaking the bank. If you want a reliable, energy-efficient light that brightens up your space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're looking at a brightness of 4,400 lumens, which is equivalent to a traditional 120W light. But it uses only 40W. That's a huge cut in your electric bill, over 70%. The acrylic prismatic lens design maximizes light output, so you're not just getting a bright light, you're getting an elegantly designed fixture that enhances any room. It's also really easy to install, with no ballast to replace, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your garage or office. And with over 5,300 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that lots of buyers are satisfied with this choice. Now, some people complained about the installation process not being as straightforward as they hoped. Here's the thing though, it's definitely easier than traditional fluorescent fixtures, but if you're not handy, you might need some help. Still, the energy savings and brightness make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, energy-saving light that looks good and is easy to replace. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some basic installation. Now, if the installation aspect of Faith Sail bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for you. Product number 2, Linstain 2-Pack Black Light Bar. Next up is the Linstain 2-Pack Black Light Bar, priced at just $19.99. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed for parties and fun events. If you want to create an awesome atmosphere for your Halloween parties or glow-in-the-dark events, this is a fantastic choice. With a 120-degree beam angle, it covers a wide area, which means you can effectively light up any room or outdoor space without needing multiple units. Plus, the 6-foot cord and easy plug-and-play system makes setup a breeze. Safety is also a key feature here. It operates at a harmless wavelength, which is a nice touch for extended use without worrying about eye strain. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 640 reviews, it's clear people love this product for both its functionality and price. Now, some users mentioned that the brightness could be a bit overwhelming for smaller rooms. But honestly, that just means you have to be mindful of placement. If you're using it for a large event, this won't be a problem at all. This is perfect for you if you frequently host parties or events where lighting is key. Skip this one if you need something for small, intimate spaces. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might be even better for portable use. Product number 3, THLIFURE10W Black Light Bar. Coming in at just $15.57 is the THLIFURE10W Black Light Bar. I love this one because it's compact and super versatile. If you're looking for a portable solution for parties or even for showcasing art, this is definitely worth considering. This flexibility makes it great for illuminating anything from glow parties to artwork. With a USB port, you can use it with a power bank, which means you can take it outdoors without any hassle. And with over 3,800 reviews, it holds a 4.3-star rating, which speaks volumes about its reliability and performance. Now, some reviewers noted that the smaller size means it doesn't cover as much area as larger lights. But I'll be real with you, if you need something more portable and easy to set up, this won't be a deal breaker. It's all about your specific needs. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use black light for different settings. Skip this one if you need something that floods a large area with light. Now, if THLIFURE's compactness isn't what you want, the next product has a different approach to brightness. Product number 4, High-Quality 4FT LED Wraparound. Next, we have the High-Quality 4FT LED Wraparound Light at $35.99. This fixture stood out to me because it's designed for hardwired installation, making it a great choice for those who want a permanent setup. If you're looking for a high-brightness option, this one is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters. It also delivers 4,400 lumens like the Faith Sail model. But it has a unique design that maximizes light output while using only 40W. The impact-resistant acrylic lens ensures durability while you get clear, neutral white light at 4000K, making it suitable for workspaces or garages. It's certified for safety and can last for up to 50,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about changing bulbs often. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, it's highly regarded for its performance and reliability. Now, some users did mention that the hardwired installation can be a bit tricky for those inexperienced with electrical work. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a solid long-term lighting solution, the benefits outweigh the installation hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, high-brightness light for long-term use. Now, if hardwired installation feels too complicated, the final product brings you an easier installation option. Product number 5. High-quality 5000K LED shop light. Last but not least is the high-quality 5000K LED shop light, priced at $25.49. I was impressed by this light because it's designed for easy installation and high brightness. If you want a user-friendly, efficient lighting solution, this one is worth your consideration. That's a significant energy savings of about 70% compared to traditional fixtures. The included power cord and hanging chains make installation super simple. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, it's linkable, allowing you to connect up to 4 lights together, making it perfect for larger spaces. With over 8,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's obvious that this light has made a lot of users happy. Now, some people pointed out that the hanging chain might not be sturdy enough for heavy-duty use. But honestly, if you're using it in a standard garage or workspace, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a bright, easy-to-install light for larger areas. Skip this one if you need something meant for smaller, more intimate spaces. So to sum it all up, we have the Faith Sail 4FT LED wraparound for energy savings and performance, the Linstein black light bar for fun events, the portable THLIFURI for versatility, the high-quality 4FT for a solid hardwired option, and finally the easy-install high-quality 5000K for great brightness. Each has its strengths depending on what you need. Choose wisely.